Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn with Confidence. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for learning practical English that you can use every day. In today's video, we're going to learn everyday English vocabulary that is essential for beginners. These are words and phrases you can use in common situations. Let's get started. 1. Greetings. Let's start with some basic greetings you'll use every day. Hello. A simple and common greeting. Good morning. Say this in the morning until around noon. Good afternoon. Use this afternoon until evening. Good evening. Use in the evening, usually after 5 p.m. Good night. Say this before going to bed. These greetings are essential for starting conversations. 2. Saying thank you. Being polite is important, and these phrases help you express gratitude. Thank you. A simple way to show appreciation. Thanks a lot. A more informal and friendly way to say thank you. I really appreciate it. A more formal way to show deep gratitude. Thanks for your help. Use this when someone helps you. Use these phrases when someone does something nice for you. 3. Asking for help. If you ever need assistance, these phrases will come in handy. Can you help me, please? A polite way to ask for help. Could you help me with this? Another polite option when you need help. I don't understand. Can you explain it? Use this if you need clarification. Please show me how to do this. If you need a demonstration, asking for help politely is important in any situation. 4. Expressing agreement. Agreeing with someone is important in conversations. Here are some common phrases. Yes, I agree. A simple way to show agreement. That's right. A more enthusiastic way to agree. Exactly. When you completely agree with someone. I think so too. A way to show that you have the same opinion. These phrases help you connect and show you're on the same page. 5. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is an easy conversation starter. It's sunny today. Use this when it's a bright sunny day. It's really cold outside. When the weather is chilly. It looks like it's going to rain. When you see clouds or rain in the forecast. The weather is perfect for a walk. When the weather is pleasant. The weather is a safe and common topic to talk about with anyone. 6. Making small talk. Small talk is an important skill to develop. Here are some basic phrases. What did you do today? A simple way to ask about someone's day. How's your day going? A friendly way to check in with someone. What are your plans for the weekend? Asking about someone's future plans. How's the family? A nice way to ask about someone's family. Small talk helps you build relationships and practice speaking English. 7. Asking for the time. Sometimes you'll need to ask the time, and these phrases will help. What time is it? The most common way to ask for the time. Can you tell me the time? A more polite way to ask. Do you have the time? Another common way to ask for the time. Asking for the time is a simple but useful phrase. 8. Saying goodbye. Ending a conversation politely is just as important as starting it. Goodbye. The most common way to say farewell. See you later. A friendly, informal way to say goodbye. Take care. A polite and caring way to say goodbye. Have a great day. A warm way to say goodbye in the daytime. These phrases help you leave a conversation with kindness. 9. Expressing excitement. Sometimes you want to show excitement, and these phrases will help. That's amazing. Use this when something surprises or excites you. I'm so excited. A way to show you're really looking forward to something. That's awesome. A casual way to show you're impressed. Expressing excitement makes your conversations more lively. 10. Apologizing. It's important to know how to apologize when you need to. I'm sorry. A simple apology. I'm really sorry for that. A more sincere apology. Excuse me, I didn't mean to do that. When you've made a small mistake, being able to apologize politely is key to maintaining good relationships. And that's it for today's lesson on everyday English vocabulary for beginners. By practicing these words and phrases regularly, You'll be able to improve your English skills and feel more confident in everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our fun and easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.